All right, so the government just cut the 491 planning levels. And look, I've had a lot of messages about this in the last couple of weeks, so I want to address it properly. No spin, just the facts. First thing, if you already hold a 491 or you've already lodged your application, honestly, you can breathe. Your pathway to the 191 permanent residence visa has not changed. The government has been pretty clear on that existing holders and applicants are not affected by these cuts. You might wait a bit longer depending on your occupation, but you're in the system, you will be finalized. So if that's your situation, stay the course. Don't let the noise spook you, right? Now for everyone else, let's actually talk about what has changed because it is significant. The government has slashed the regional visa allocation going into the next financial year. We're talking the 491 and the 494. What that means in plain English: fewer spots, more competition. And for some occupations that used to have a decent shot through the 491, that door is now pretty much closed. And look, I get how gutting this is. Some of you have been building your points for months. You've done your skills assessment, you've sat your English test, you've moved to regional areas, you've done everything right. And now the goalposts move. That's genuinely frustrating. And I'm not going to pretend otherwise. There's also something else worth keeping an eye on: the TSMIT, the Temporary Skilled Migration Income Threshold. Every year it goes up, and every year it becomes harder for regional employers to justify sponsoring someone. We're going to do a full video on that. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Okay. So who does this actually hurt the most? If you're offshore, haven't lodged yet, and your job doesn't have a clear employer-sponsored alternative, this is really difficult news. The competition for the remaining spots is going to be intense. And for some occupations, the 491 may just no longer be a realistic option. I'm not saying that to scare you. I'm saying it because you need to know: if you're already in Australia, student visa, graduate visa, temporary visa, and you've been waiting for a 491 nomination in a regional area, the pressure on that path has increased a lot. That is the honest reality right now. All right. So, what are your options from here? Because there are still options. Let me walk you through them. Option 1: employer sponsorship. The 482 visa and the 186 E&S visa. The department is actively pushing these as the answer to regional workforce needs. If you are working or can find an employer willing to sponsor you, this is one of the strongest pathways available right now. Yes, the 186 has long processing times at the moment, but it goes directly to permanent residents. That matters. Option 2: DAMA, designated area migration agreements. This one is genuinely underused. If you are in a DAMA region, it opens up occupations and concessions you simply can't access through standard pathways. We've done a full video on DAMA, link is in the description. Option 3: state nomination through the 190 visa. States are still nominating nurses, teachers, tradespeople. If your occupation is on a state list and you meet the requirements, this is a direct path to permanent residence, no provisional stage. Worth a serious look right now. And option 4: get proper advice. I know how that sounds coming from a migration agent, but I mean it. Everyone's situation is genuinely different. Your occupation, your location, your employer, your points, your English score, they all interact in ways a YouTube video cannot fully cover. If you're not sure which direction to go, don't just guess. Don't spend months going the wrong way. Come and talk to us. We offer a free initial consultation. Our team will give you an honest read on where you stand, not a sales pitch. The link is in the description below. Here's what I want you to take away. If you're already in, nothing has changed. Stay focused, meet your requirements, and your 191 will come. If you're still working toward getting in, your path is narrower than it was, but it's not closed. There are still ways through. The key is knowing which one fits your situation and moving on it before the options narrow further. At Ultimate Migration, we are MARA registered migration agents, And this is what we do every day. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on the ground working toward PR, we'll help you find the clearest path forward. Like the video if it helped, subscribe for weekly updates, and drop your question in the comments. We read every single one. Take care.